Now before I catch them, I will get my $50,000 and my 2 Chaos Rolls back. Oh my. Woo and Butters are in trouble. We got to go save them. And the only way is going to Rocket. Come on. Rocket, Rocket, Rocket. Oh, why are you shushing us? Oh, Larry is sleeping. I didn't know he was sleeping. Me neither. Why is he sleeping? Yeah, why is he sleeping? He was up all night? Oh. For what? Is he, watching TV all night? Is that why? And he's drinking energy drinks? Oh. In that case, can you give us a ride? We need to stop that Lamborghini, and we need to stop Mr. Goodman too. They was chasing after... You see, he was chasing after Woohoo and Butters out and Gaming's getaway truck. You think you could help us? Okay. Thanks, Rocket. Hop on board, everyone. He's saying goodnight to Larry. At a Rocket. Hang on, Butters and Woohoo. We're coming to rescue you. Look down there. The whole squad is here. They might be chasing after the Lamborghini too. Yeah. Let's join them. Alright.